Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we shall read Flower School, and this beautiful poem has been written by Rabindranath Tagore. So let us get started and see what the poet has to say in this beautiful poem. When storm clouds rumble in the sky and June showers come down, here the poet says, when storm clouds burst, when storm clouds rumble and thunder, when the clouds make thundering and lightning in the sky, the summer showers, the light, beautiful and pleasant rains begin to fall in the month of June. जून के महीने में जब बादल गरजते हैं तो बारिशें होती हैं. The moist east wind comes marching over the heath to blow its bagpipes among the bamboos. Moist wind का मतलब है moist laden winds, नमी से भरी हवाएं, वो हवाएं जिनमें नमी हो. The moisture laden winds come from the east and blow, and these winds blow, and these winds pass, and these winds brush past the bushes and small wild plants in the open with great speed. The wind also passes through the bamboo bower and produces a melodious sound. नमी से भरी हवाएं मशक से चलती हैं और खुले में ये हवाएं बड़ी तेज़ रफ्तारी से झाड़ियों से, छोटे छोटे जंगली पौधों से और बांस से होकर गुजरती हैं. Then crowds of flowers come out of a sudden from nobody knows where and dance upon the grass in wild glee. At this time during the rains, flowers in large numbers blossom out of nowhere and dance joyously, and these flowers dance happily in pleasure and to have fun upon the grass. बारिशों के दौरान बहुत सारे फूल खिलते हैं जो कोई नहीं जानता ये फूल कहाँ से आते हैं, कहाँ से फूटते हैं, कहाँ से खिलते हैं, और ये फूल खुशी में घास में नाचते हैं. Mother, I really think the flowers go to school underground. Seeing the flowers dancing, the poet tells his mother that these flower children also go to school underground. इन फूलों को नाचते देखकर शायर अपनी मॉम से कहता है, मम्मा मुझे लगता है ये फूल भी हमारी तरह ज़मीन के नीचे स्कूल जाते हैं. They do their lessons with doors shut. और ये फ्लावर चिल्ड्रन दरवाजे बंद करके अपने लेसन्स, अपने सबक को पढ़ते हैं, अपना सबक सीखते हैं. These flower children learn their lessons behind the shut doors. And if they want to come out to play before it's time, their master makes them stand in a corner. If these flower students wish to play before it is time, their master makes them stand in a corner and does not let them come out to play before it's time. When the rains come, they have their holidays. However, when the rains fall, they have their holidays. और जब बारिशें होती हैं तो इन फ्लावर स्टूडेंट्स की छुट्टियां होती हैं और इन छुट्टियों के दौरान ये ज़मीन पर आते हैं खेलने कूदने. Branches clash together in forest and leaves rustle in the wild wind. In the rains, as the wind sways the trees, the branches rub against one another and the leaves flutter, filling the air with strange sounds. बारिशों के दौरान जब हवाएं चलती हैं तो दरख्तों की जो ब्रांचेस होती हैं, दरख्तों की शाखें जो होती हैं, एक दूसरे के साथ टकराती हैं, पत्ते हवा में सरसराते हैं और इस तरह से हवा में एक अजीब किस्म की आवाज़ें निकालते हैं, हवा में एक अजीब किस्म का म्यूज़िक वो भरते हैं. The thunder clouds clap their joint hands and the flower children rush out in dresses of pink and yellow and white. The loud clouds make noise by thundering and making lightning by clapping their joint hands. At this time, the flower children of numerous colors, such as pink, yellow, and white, come out to have fun in the world. Do you know, Mother, their home is in the sky where the stars are? The poet asks his mother if she knew the flower's home too was in the sky among the stars. Here the poet tells his mother that the flowers too have their home in the sky among the stars. शायर अपनी मॉम से कहता है, ममा तुम जानती हो ये फूल जो हैं इनका घर भी आसमान में तारों के बीच है. Haven't you seen how eager they are to get there? Don't you know why they are in such a hurry? The poet again tells his mother if she had not noticed how eager the flowers always were to get back to their home. The poet says that शायर जो होता है वो अपनी मॉम से कहता है, क्या आपने ये नहीं जाना इन फूलों को इतनी जल्दी क्यों होती हैं, ये इतने बेताब क्यों होते हैं अपने घर जाने के लिए. Of course, I can guess to whom they raise their arms. They have their mother as I have my own. The poet says that he knows why the flowers raise their arms to the sky. They do so. They raise their arms to the sky because they have their mother in the sky among the stars, exactly like the poet's mother, who also became a star in the sky after her death. शायर अपनी मॉम से कहता है, मैं जानता हूँ ये फ्लावर चिल्ड्रन जो हैं, ये फ्लावर स्टूडेंट्स जो है ये क्यों अपनी बाहें फैलाते हैं आसमान की तरफ. ये इसीलिए अपनी बाहें आसमान की तरफ फैलाते हैं क्योंकि इनकी मॉम भी आसमान में तारों के बीच है. बिल्कुल उसी तरह जिस तरह से पोइट की माँ आसमान में तारों के बीच है क्योंकि वह भी एक तारा बनी थी जब उसकी मौत हुई थी.